Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I've needed a foot massager for a very long time. I reached out to Breo to sponsor this video, and I'm so glad they did because my feet get so tired on a daily basis. When I checked into Breo, I found the company is one of really big R&D and high technology, and they combine all the elements of the best of Chinese massage within this foot massager. It was a new discovery in technology to be able to have an air compression massage within a small device like this that you can put anywhere in your house. I set it up in my living room in my favorite purple chair. My feet are tired and achy almost every single day, so this becomes my zen moments with my Breo foot massager. My life is so active. Recently I did this fashion shoot. I have a whole collection of high heels. I brought my favorite ones for this fashion shoot, and all day long I had to walk around in those shoes and go downstairs in those very high heels that kill my feet. These are my killer shoes, I call them, but I need them for the fashion videos I do and for looking good when I go out at night. So after many hours on my feet and doing all the twirls for those beautiful dresses I was wearing, I wanted to show them off, but my feet were getting hammered while I did the whole shoot. Sometimes it's better to look good than to feel good, like that day. And getting dressed up in beautiful dresses means I often have to wear beautiful high heels too. This is a whole variety of the shoes I wore that day. Every single one of those shoes had issues for my feet. So it was the whole gamut of the heels and the way they fit my foot and the way my little toes were shoved into those shoes. Ouch, what a painful fashion day that was. Those days especially, I need my Breo foot massager. But every day is a good day for the Breo foot massage. I put my feet in it and I turn on the power. There's a mode button, a strength button, and a heat button. The mode button gives you different kinds of massages. There's 3. Those are the options of the air compression intensity, and it integrates with various massage modes. So you can have an extreme relaxing foot massage. The adjustable intensity on the mode button combines with a deep kneading rolling and a tapping and a strapping massage. And that enhances my blood circulation to my feet for my whole body, because when your blood is circulating to your feet, that helps your whole body feel relaxed. Your feet can be such a cause of tiredness in your life. So keeping your feet relaxed and feeling good and massage is such a great health benefit. In much of Eastern medicine, it's the bottoms of your feet that bring all the health to the rest of your body. So getting your foot massaged every day is a key element to good health. I had studied Eastern medicine and acupressure, and the bottom of your feet contains so many important points for the rest of the health and circulation throughout your whole body. And the next button is for strength, and there's 3 different strengths in the Breo massager. The pale white blue button is for the lightest, the green is for stronger, and the red is for full strength. Depending how sensitive your feet are or how big your feet are, you might start off with the light strength, but after a long day, I like to go to the red strength. I need it for my feet. It's going to make the rollers and the air compression be the strongest for your feet, so you get full benefits. It doesn't miss a thing. It gets all of the surface of your foot when your foot's in the massager. This massager will go to size 12 for men. My feet are about 7.5 to 8, ladies, right in the middle of the size range. There's also a heat button. You can turn it on or off. If you turn it on, within 3 to 5 minutes, it gradually will start heating up. It will increase from about 104 degrees to 122 degrees in those 3 to 5 minutes. I find the heat button is really helpful for me because it helps to relax the muscles. I get full benefit of massage with the heat on. And in the wintertime, my feet get really cold. I'm really susceptible to that, especially when I wear high heels because they don't insulate my feet much. So coming home to my Breo massager and turning that heat on really warms them up fast. It's especially good right before I go to bed at night. One thing about my relaxation time is putting on my Breo foot massager and then grabbing my book. I've been studying art. I love art, and it just seems to go well by looking into my art books and getting my feet massaged. That puts me in total heaven. This is my Monet book. I I just love reading about my favorite artist, Monet, and his life, and being inspired by all his beautiful works of art in this book. I don't think about my achy feet. I just feel the beautiful massage as I'm strolling with my mind through all the beautiful journey of art. That is pure delight and relaxation for me. You may not know, but I love to oil paint, and my whole house is filled with paintings taken from the style of Monet. Just a little tidbit about me. How do you get your zen? Make a comment and let me know. I'd like more ideas. It's been a very stressful couple of years. The Breo foot massager arrived right to my door, packed really well. The box is really beautiful. It's designed so well. It'd be great for a gift. You might know someone that needs one of these. I unpacked it and it came in plastic with a lot of packaging material so it wouldn't get damaged during shipping. This is all that came in the box. The instructions, the hookup for electricity. This is how you plug it in. The electrical input is just on the side of your Breo massager. And the power cord plugs into any normal power outlet in your house, which is your standard 110 volts. And Breo has thought to give you a zippable liner. So you unzip it to take them out just like this so you can wash them in your washing machine. And after you wash it, you put them back in and zip it back up. It's really easy. And they give you 2 sets, so you'll always have a clean one. So your feet will never be sweaty in here. It's really easy to keep them clean with the 2 sets. By researching on the internet, I found that Breo is the leader in wellness technology. They have a big background in acupuncture and acupressure. That was impressive. They have a whole line of other devices for wellness, and they're priced great. Click the link below to get your Breo foot massager. It's right there in the description box. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today, it's a recipe for wellness and much more enlivened, feeling good as your feet get massaged after your hard day. See you next time. If you like this video, here's some more over here I think you might like. Just click.